Hi and welcome to another episode of Kitchen Design Essentials where I, Darren Morgan, check out the coolest finishes, design ideas and innovations that are out there right now in the kitchen sector. And when it comes to innovative products, Elica are well known for delivering an exceptional array of innovations in the field of hob extraction and ventilation. Some really cool ideas over the years, and their latest offering is no exception. This is a game changer, and I don't say that lightly. It's something different, creative, innovative, and it really will allow designers to think about their kitchen designs in a different way. Elica LHOV, LHOV, is an all-in-one unit, oven, hob and ventilation all in one. The hob is the first of its kind, a 5-ring induction downdraft system, only made possible due to the linear placement of the air ventilation slots on either side of the hob. So you have 5 rings up top, and the ventilation system is obviously very efficient, easy. It's easy enough for it to remove all those smells, gases, moisture and steam from around the cooking area. The oven down below, it's wide. You can easily place 2 pizzas in there side by side to cook at the same time. It's beautiful to look at. Now the thing is, the oven and the ventilation system are also connected. So what that means is all of the smells, gases, steam and cooking inside the oven that you would normally get when you open the oven door, there's a lot of hot air will be expelled from the top of the oven door. That no longer happens. The extraction system removes all that from inside the oven as well as the hob area and expels all that heat, steam and gas to an exit point. It's absolutely stunning. It's a game changer, and what this may do is allow kitchen designers to think about kitchen design in a different way. For example, could you question the need for tall oven housings? Are they needed anymore? Is there more opportunity for a modular design in terms of the kitchen furniture? It really is different. It's stunning. I love it. I can't wait to get my hands on it. So if you're interested in innovative products, appliances and even kitchens in general, you really want to check out Elica LHOV, LHOV. It's absolutely breathtakingly stunning. I really love it.